Hi guys, so today we're going to be covering how to recover a disabled Instagram account. I know how frustrating it can be when you lose access to your Instagram account and Instagram has asked you to request a review and maybe it's taking too long for you to get back your account. Before we dive in deep into the things you could actually try to get back your Instagram account, let's talk about the things that are no longer working. So there have been a lot of changes with how you could request review on your disabled Instagram account. When Instagram has disabled every link that is available out there, you could use to apply for different case scenarios, maybe for using copyright claims, or maybe you violated their policy and so much more. For those of you who have benefited from our previous content, I believe you visited our blog post, or maybe you came across our YouTube content we published a few years back about all the links you could use to request a review. And recently we found out that none of the link is working. Previously, we were trying to help someone and get back his Instagram account. After using a particular link we could use to appeal to the Instagram team, we came back again and we noticed that that link is no longer available. It's been revoked. I'm going to be very honest and I'm going to be very clear. Now, the best approach for you to recover your disabled Instagram account is to appeal on the app. That is when you're trying to log in, or maybe the previous device you've used to access your Instagram account. That is your only chance. I'm aware that there are several other methods people claim to recover their Instagram profile, but I'm talking about the official ways that is available, okay? Only the official ways and how you could get it back. And when appealing to the Instagram team, try as much as possible to be descriptive, go in details, let them understand your own side of the story, what you think went wrong, or what content you felt might have caused it, and how you feel it shouldn't be the reason why your account was taken down. So you need to go into details and submit a request to the Instagram team. The second option, which is very exclusive, I'm going to talk about it in details. Now, this second option works best for people who are business owners, specifically advertisers on Meta. Okay, so when I said Meta, it's very important to take note of Facebook as well, not just Instagram. Okay, because Meta advertisers are able to contact the advertising support through Facebook. Okay, through what? Facebook. That's the easiest way for you to access the Meta advertising support, known as the Meta Pro team or the Meta support channels on your Facebook account. Now, before you try this method, you want to make sure that your Instagram account was already connected to your Facebook page or the business manager account before it was disabled, because this is going to increase your chances of Meta support being willing to pursue or to follow up your case with the Instagram support team so that they could review quickly and restore back your account. Okay, so this is like one of your best shots. So if you're a business owner and your Instagram account got disabled and you're very sure your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page or maybe your Facebook account, or a business manager, specifically the ones that have been accessed through their Facebook profile, so you still have another chance in escalating your issue if the request you made on the Instagram app is still taking too much time for them to get back to you. Let's talk about how you could contact the Meta Pro team or the Meta support on Facebook. Simply visit this video at this corner to learn how you could contact the Meta Pro team on your Facebook account. You could also visit the description section to access this video. Take notes, not all Facebook users will be able to access or to contact the Meta support team or the Meta Pro team. The reason is that the Facebook advertising support or the Meta Pro team is only accessible to Facebook advertisers. Okay, so if you've been running ads on Facebook, you'll most likely be able to contact the Facebook support team, and there you have a chance to escalate your issue. We're also going to do something further. We're going to try to help a specific group of persons, that is business owners who got their Instagram account disabled and the Instagram is or was still connected to their Facebook page or Facebook profile before it got disabled. Now, if your Facebook account is okay, we could help you to be able to contact the Meta Pro team if at this moment you can't contact the Meta support team. So you simply book a consultation with one of our experts and we'll see how we could help you get that, so that you're going to have better chances of getting back your disabled Instagram account. So if you have any special inquiry or you have any complaint, feel free to book a consultation and one of our experts will be there to help you. Alright guys, see you in our next video and bye for now.